Good afternoon, my fellow traders. Hope you all having an awesome day. An early update here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, and we have an inventory report coming up in next 1 hour. That is why I wanted to record this video beforehand so that we can see what to expect technically and fundamentals as well. At this point, price has now inside the level of resistance. It's trading inside the level of resistance on all three platforms. I'm going to go through the other platforms in a second. So for now, that's good. We are aligned with the resistance level on the other platforms as well. So at this point, we are just looking for bearish condition. Now we are in the overbought situation. So correction is expected. And with that correction, we can see some pullbacks and then a continuation towards the upside. Now to sell this commodity, we need to see an entry condition. Again, that we can go down to 1 hour or 4 hours. All I want to see a nice and clear green and bigger red bearish engulfing candle to go for a short trade. Now we need to capture this pullback. Once we have a short confirmation, I'm going to go short, capture this pullback, exit my trades, and we can possibly see another spike higher once we have a bullish confirmation. I'm still looking at a level below right here on all three platforms for the possible buy confirmation once the price come back to this level. For now, we are in the level of resistance, a selling area. All we're looking at an entry condition. Now inventory report is forecasted less than expected, less than the previous report, as you can see 42 and 2B. If you don't know how to read these reports, I've already made a video how to read natural gas report. When you see the report coming up in minus, it's confusing sometimes. That is why I made a detailed video so that you know how to read these reports and how to and what to expect from these reports. So links are in the description, and you can also see the card up there. So if that turns out to be, let's say, the same report, that's still an indication the price of nat gas can give us a little pullback and start to push and continue to push high long term. Now if this report comes up as, let's say, above the forecast, above 2, then it will be a weaker demand and a bearish for natural gas. So if it's, let's say, come as 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever above 2, then it's going to be more than the forecast and it's bearish for natural gas, and that will be an opportunity to align ourselves with technicals and fundamentals. So if it's more than forecast, a bearish report, then we can start to see some sort of bearish pressure here, and we can see some sort of formation of bearish confirmation. Once that happens, we're going to go short. Now if the report comes up as, let's say, less than 2, in that case we are still bullish. We can still see some correction and then a continuation that can happen quickly. So that is what we need to look here on the fundamentals. If the numbers are same, then we're going to purely look at a technical. So keep an eye. It is something I'll be looking at now in a selling area and be more interested to sell with an entry condition. No condition, just look for the normal pullback and look for the buy confirmation above 50 EMA. So that is all I'll be looking at. We are in level of major resistance. All I'm expecting a good push down. Here on Owanda, the price hit a major resistance as well. This was mentioned a couple of months ago, but the price did not make it to this level. Now it is a level, if you go back on daily, right here the price dramatically pushed down from this level massively, and if you go back on weekly, the price massively pushed down from this level. So this level is a level of significance, so that is why I'm expecting some big pullbacks. If you start to see a pullback, I'll be looking at a retest of the previous level that has been broken. Now this level below is a trend continuation zone that still needs to be adjusted, but in general we can see a push down, then a pullback, and then a continuation towards the upside. So I'll read on this level over the weekend. Keep an eye on my weekend's video. For now, look for the sell trade. We can still get a push inside this level and price can form a double top or a bearish engulfer within this zone. If we have that, we are good to go short. So only looking for sell trades with condition correction is expected. Looking at the overbought situation in the RSI right here, exact same condition. As you can see, we were overbought. We have a bearish engulfer, then we had a good correction. So that is what we can expect in this area as well. So keep an eye, look for the entry condition for nat gas. Once we have, we are good to go for our trades. Here on NEMIX platform, a level of major resistance is 3.341 goes to 3.606. We're now looking for the selling opportunities from this level once we see a bearish condition. Inverted hammers, bearish engulfers, 382 candles, double top is something I'm looking at for my entries. Once we have that, we are good to go short. A level of support, a trend continuation is right here. Once we go short, it is a level from where we can see a possible push back up. So keep an eye, look for your sell condition once we have that. If there's no condition, normal pullback, bullish engulfer is still in the play for the possible entries. Keep an eye to these zones. If you have not seen my yesterday's video, watch that and mark these zones on your charts. If you're looking at NG2 platforms right here, that the resistance level is right up there if you want to mark these on a chart, NG2, and right here the support area which that has been previously broken. So next up we have gold. So price of gold is now heading towards a minor anchor level. We are above 50 EMA, so I want to give this level to you as well. It's 2704, goes up to 2718.63. Now coming back on 4-hour time frame, we are way above the previous high, so that's mean we can still look for the nice pullback that is expected. We have a cross with the pullback. If we have a bullish engulfer, I'm gonna go long. So clear pullback is needed, followed by bullish engulfer for my next buy trade. So expecting a price to head higher to the next level of minor anchor, which is right up there, from where we can start to see some pullbacks. So that is all I'll be looking at, just buy trade with a pullback with my entry condition to the level above, from where we can see some short-term pullbacks before the price will continue to push higher. Here on silver, double top is in the play. Now silver is very slow as compared to gold. We have a very likely chance that gold can push the silver higher dramatically as well. So be very careful with your risk here on silver. So that is why I'll be looking at a possible double top first. I need to see a clear double top. Will be good if you see a double top pattern on this from this number with bearish engulfers or inverted hammer candle. If we have that, we are good to go short for the little scalp. Keep your stop loss above. Take profit. You can go 1-to-1. It's totally up to you if you want to manage that. So keep an eye. If there is a double top, only then I'm going to take my trade. If there is no double top, price break and close above this high, then we'll see a possible continuation from the silver towards the upside. Lastly, we have gold. I'm looking at it here on capital.com. Nicely pushed up from the double bottom pattern and nicely pushing up to the level of next resistance, which is the 71.81, goes to 74.200. Now from where we can see a possible pullbacks. Now normally once the price reacts from this level once, twice, thrice, 4 times, we can see some pullbacks and then a continuation towards the upside. So that is all I'm expecting, some little pullbacks and a continuation out of crude oil. For now, if you have a clear bearish engulfer or a double top here, we can see some pullbacks from here. That pullback can be enough to hit your target. So keep an eye on this level from where you start to look at the sell trades. For now, just buy trades. We have broken above this high with a pullback and a bullish engulfer. I'm gonna go long till this area. On one, if you're trading, the level above is right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue, we are way above the previous highs. All I want to see a pullback and a bullish engulfer with a cross we already have. I'm gonna go long. In case you're wondering, that is not one of my valid bullish engulfer, but I want to see a bullish engulfer from here. If we have that, that would be a good entry confirmation. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.